UltraPulse with Scar FX by Lumenis, the Ultra CO2 laser with energy, penetration, and performance. CO2 lasers are used by physicians around the world to treat a variety of skin conditions. Yet in cases of severe scarring, most CO2 devices do not provide sufficient results. Due to low power and longer pulse durations, these CO2 lasers penetrate skin tissue to 1 millimeter only, not deep enough to treat most scars, and their ablation-coagulation ratios are often inadequate. This can result in side effects. Introducing UltraPulse with Scar FX, synergistic coagulation and ablation for advanced resurfacing, a breakthrough CO2 laser treatment capability by Lumenis. UltraPulse's unique Scar FX mode enables treatment of a variety of severe skin conditions which require deep, precise treatment. Conspicuous, complex scars can be treated most effectively and with minimal side effects. Using more energy than other CO2 lasers, up to 150 millijoules per spot, Scar FX reaches far deeper skin conditions. With this high-energy precision beam, Scar FX penetrates 4.0 millimeters into skin tissue, 4 times deeper than any other CO2 laser. Scar FX achieves the optimal ablation-coagulation ratio, replacing scarred tissue with normal tissue and minimizing side effects. Thanks to UltraPulse with Scar FX, treatment of conspicuous scars improves patients' quality of life by improving both range of motion and the appearance of scars. UltraPulse with Scar FX. The highest energy, the deepest treatment, the ideal ablation-coagulation ratio. We've taken CO2 lasers to the limit.